Hey guys, it's finally here. Maple syrup season 2023. So now that our sap is flowing, we gotta collect it. Once we get everything collected, we're gonna RO too. So all that means is the work is finally starting. We're gonna go down the other end of the barn, grab our IBC totes. We're gonna get some other plastic containers. We're gonna get our RO system set up at this end of the barn. As soon as we get that done, we're gonna go start collecting all this sap. We're gonna bring you guys along. We're gonna show you guys exactly how much sap that we got in the first run of the season. Let's go, come on. That was a long trip, wasn't it? Open sesame! Ta-da! All right, so now we have that mess to get through. All right, all our RO stuff's back there. We're gonna get loaded up in the truck. All right, we got the RO system here. I've been pretty lucky with just hanging this up here. Got our RO system set up. I just got done flushing it, and now we've got a test bucket of sap. So we're gonna take this graduated scale and this hydrometer, and we're gonna check and see what sugar content our sap is. So right now we're gonna start off right about 2% sugar content. Okay, we're gonna take this bucket, we're gonna run it through this RO, we're gonna test to make sure that it's ROing correctly, then we're gonna recheck and see what our sugar content will be. I just put permeate in our cylinder. Let's check that sugar content. We're right at 0. That's right where we want to be. Our permeate shouldn't have any sugar content in it when it's already RO'd. All right, now we're gonna check the sugar content of our concentrate. Right now we're at 4%, it's just where we want it. We're gonna continue to dial this system in throughout the day and make adjustments. This was one bucket off one tree. So we're gonna continue testing and I'm gonna keep you updated. But right now, let's go out in the woods. We got all these buckets to collect, come on. All right, we're out in the sugar bush now. We got the lovely Candace with us. We're gonna see how many gallons these 60 taps has got us so far. Can we fill the whole IBC tote? I don't know. I don't know. Can we, Candace?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
Let's check out this new tree right here and see how it did. Oh yeah. Well, I'd say there's about a gallon and a half, probably 2 gallon, but it got 2 taps. Yeah, probably less than a gallon in that guy. That's why we tapped different trees this year. We wanted to see the difference between the trees that we have been tapping for years and years and a few of these new trees, just like this. I like to use a small filter just to get any of the sticks and bugs and twigs out before it goes into the tank. It's not a requirement. It's something you might want to think about while collecting your sap. It's an inexpensive way to filter a lot of the junk out before it gets into your RO system and really clog up a good expensive filter. These little paper filters here are very inexpensive. I'll link them down below for you guys. All right guys, we're just offloading our sap now. And all I do is siphon it from the tank, my holding tank in the truck, to the holding tank in the barn. We just got a garden hose here and dump it in just like that. I know there's probably a better way to do this, but this is the way we're doing right now. And it seems to work fine. It only takes a few minutes to actually offload this sap from the holding tank of the truck to the holding tank in the barn. Not sure if you can see or not, but we're right about here. It's about 55 gallons or so, which is really not bad because we only ran for about 3 days. We have a big warm-up coming this week, so there's going to be plenty of opportunities for us to get a lot more sap. We got to do something with all this sap. So we got this ready to be RO'd right now. We're going to RO this overnight, and we got to do something with it. We got to turn it into syrup somehow. So if you want to see how we turn this batch of sap into a big old pile of syrup, make sure to catch the next video. All right, guys, we'll catch you on the next one. When it's February in Michigan and the snow is melting off the roof like this, you know it's sapping season.